How to find who can watch your liked videos on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find who can watch your liked videos on TikTok mobile. First then open TikTok and now click profile and click the storylines in the top corner, and after you click on it, click settings and privacy, and here you will find privacy. Click on it and now scroll down until you find liked videos, and as you see here you will find who can watch your liked videos, and as you see here only me, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.